sweet. And if you won't impress me, you can't be too flirty, mama. I know how to undress me. Yeah, I want to be